What's up, superstars? Have you ever wasted hours pressing transfers only to end up with a bunch of crooked shirts? What if I told you there's a game-changing tool that's gonna kill the guesswork for good? Stick around because this isn't just another gadget, it's your new production secret weapon. Now, what are you gonna need? You're just gonna need this laser tool and just any tripod. Yes, even that old dusty $20 tripod in the closet. That's all you need to screw on this USB powered laser and boom, pinpoint precision in just seconds. And if you wanna adjust the sharpness, you can twist and align this with this tool. And if you want to make it mobile, it's USB-C, so you can just slap it on to any type of power bank and you're mobile. Now this thing is so versatile that will work with your commercial as well as your home heat press, and we're going to show you guys exactly how we set this up from scratch. All right, so for our setup, we're gonna be using our 16 by 20 Prisma heat press. This one does have a slide out, so I'm gonna show you how to set this one up first. Then second, we're gonna be using a regular basic 15 by 15 Vevor heat press. This is gonna be something that you're more probably standard and familiar with at home, so you also see how I set this one up. So let's go ahead and get this turned on. We're gonna let it fire up, do all its thing, but let's go ahead and get the tripod set up first. All right, guys, so this is a tripod. This one is a bit heavy duty because we use it for our camera, but trust me, you guys can use any tripod. This item is very, very lightweight, not heavy at all, so it's not gonna make your tripod tip or fall down. So all you're doing at this point, I do have my wires wired up, so it does come with a USB-C wire. I have it wired up with some Velcro straps so nothing is in the way, but all you're basically doing at this point is you have an attachment right here that goes onto any tripod stand and you're just basically screwing it on. So you're just lining it up, you're screwing it on, and boom, you get to a point where it's tight and you're in a good position. Next thing you wanna do is grab your USB-C plug. There is a plug right here. All you're doing is lining it up and you're plugging it in, and boom, you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and put back into the original position so we can start doing some adjustments. So for the next step, we're gonna make some marker lines on the heat press itself. So this shows me that by default, it's gonna be centered. I'm just gonna take a marker, and this one so happens to be a Teflon sheet, so it's easier for me to mark. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be making a couple marks. You kind of already see some marks here. I'm basically gonna be marking a 3-inch point because that's what we normally do for a men. So 3-inch here. I'm just gonna be measuring this since this is 16, 8 inches, brings it right here in the center. I'm gonna get another point right here like that. And then I'm just gonna be connecting the lines, and this is going to give me a good reference point to start out on each press. So let's get it aligned and marked. So now that it's aligned, I'm going to show you the most difficult part, and that's basically aligning this laser system. As I mentioned, this can be frustrating. I'm probably not going to get it right the first time, but once you get it dialed down, you're never going to have to change this again. So that's a nice part. Unless you kick it, you just need to do a quick adjustment. But let's go ahead and get lined up. With your tripod, you can basically move this up and down based off of wherever you're positioned on your press. So for this press, it's actually a pull out. So this is the default area where I'm gonna be loading the shirts. I do wanna pull the tripod back to match the overall distance. So once it's kind of in the area where I'm comfortable with, this ball right here allows you to adjust. So all I'm doing is either moving it up and down or I'm adjusting. So as you see, this is totally out of sync right here. So I do need to probably bring this much lower to get to this point. All right, so now that I'm at this position, you can adjust this if you want. Or you can actually, since it's very, very close, I'm just gonna move it back myself. And as you guys can see, it is aligned. It is right in the center. There you go. And this is a very, very crisp line that you get on the laser system. There is an attachment here that you can screw to make this thicker. So you can make your lines thicker, you can make your lines thinner. However fine point you're trying to do, that's what you want to use to align with. It's already pretty sharp, so I'm not going to be doing too much alignment, and all I'm doing is bringing it back to the original spot. Again, I'm doing this live, so you can see it is not perfect and it does take a little time to get down, but you're good. If you're noticing that the lines are not super straight, it's because this particular heat press actually has a Teflon sheet. So this surface does move up and down a little bit, and it does affect the way that the laser will shoot on here, but you can adjust your heat press and your laser a little bit so that you get to a fine point where it is flat and you can trust where the middle is, like that. So this is pretty good in my opinion. I'm probably gonna adjust it a little bit and boom, right on the spot. So what you're trying to do at this point is you have your markers here. If I pull this out and I pull this out to load a shirt, it's always gonna be centered, so it's easy for me to load. So now let's go ahead and get a shirt loaded up. All right, so for the blanks, we're gonna be using a smart blanks. This is a 402. So let's just go ahead and thread it onto our press. With this press, it makes it really easy to thread and align because all I'm doing is sticking it here, making sure that this top of the neck is brought to the top. At this point, it's gonna be 3 inches each every single time I pull this back here. So all I'm grabbing is my transfer. I'm folding this in half. I'm gonna go ahead and get a crease point. This gives me the center point. Once that's lined up, you pull this back and then you press 300 degrees, 7 seconds. Bring your transfer out, and then you can peel away like that. Now flip this around. You can see it lines up right there. Pull it back for a second press. Like so. And boom. And you can keep doing this over and over again. The lines are up. You can just keep loading your shirt back and forth. It's gonna save you time with alignment and it gets done a lot faster. You don't have to second guess yourself. That's how you do it with this press. Now let's go ahead and try it with a standard Vevor 15x15. All right, now I'm gonna show you on our standard 15x15 heat press how to get this set up. You can have a pad, it can be black, it can be red, orange, whatever color it is. This one just so happens to be black, but I'm still able to do it. So here particularly, I'm just gonna mark 2.5. I'm not gonna do a 3 inch here. So I want this one at 2.5. So I'm just gonna do a couple fine lines. Let's go ahead and draw this line across. And then here to here is 15 inches, so 7.5. Brings me around there, 7.5. I got my line to show me the center. I got my line to show me front and back where the center's at. Now keep in mind guys, I personally for me don't use this 15x15 very often. I am probably gonna do this in a couple different ways because people have different tactics. Some people like to load the shirt up front. Some people like to load it from the rear. I'm gonna try to cover as much bases as I can. But again, this is not something standard that I personally use on a daily basis. So I just wanted to point that out. I have this set up, let's say if you want to do a front load. So I'm just gonna flip this around. It's gonna be hard to see, but that's the front load right there. So now that I have my points marked, all I'm doing at this point, I'm gonna bring my press back so that I can turn on my laser. So let's try to align this. Now this laser is small enough that I can lower this to get into that hard to reach area. So let's try to align this. Let me just flip it. Sometimes it's easier to just do like a full rotation on the laser just to kind of give it a good reset. Just move it out this way. I think it's going to be easier to align it if I'm lower. All right, there you go. That's pretty good. You can do a small tweak of the actual unit if you need to, but that gives me the center point. Let me move this a little bit more so it looks more aligned. There you go. That's a center point right there. So what you're going to be doing here is I can pull the pad out if I need to. I'm gonna grab my smart blank right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and load my shirt. So I'm gonna bring it to the top. Okay, perfect. Now it's aligned and I can push it back. The film is gonna make the laser look a little bit wobbly and crooked, but it is straight. So at this point, you can just stamp it and then go ahead and peel it and you're good to go. So this is one way to do it, and to do it right here. So the other way to do it, and I showed you guys with a normal size or smaller size graphic, and it's easy to just go like that. Now, if you were to use a big transfer like this, which is, I think 14.5 inches, because I wanted to really maximize the heat press surface. So you're doing something big. I'll also show you how to align this. So gonna line that top. Okay, so once your design is right to the top right there, this is basically 3 inches from the top or the bottom of the neckline to the top of the design. At this point, what I would do is grab my heat resistant tape. You want to make sure that everything is within the padding, and it doesn't really matter as far as the alignment at this point because it's taped down. You've already taped it down so that you can align it. And then at this point, again, press. The other way is if you were to do it backwards, I would just turn this around right here. If you don't load it backwards like that, you just bring this laser back to wherever you're trying to go, like that. Okay, now that it is aligned, it's centered, you're doing the same thing. If I take off this transfer, if you like to load it backwards, because sometimes people do load these backwards because they really don't have a lot of space back here, or if you're doing a hoodie. So that's the reason why you would flip it backwards like this. So I bring up the neckline to the very top. I'll push the pad back into place. I'll grab the transfer. If it's a small transfer like this, boom and boom, it's down the center, and then you just heat press and you're good to go. If you're doing something large, do like I just did earlier. You bring the transfer to size, making sure it's aligned. Press, and you're good to go. So there you have it, guys. That's how our laser system works. It's available now on the website, so make sure you guys head over there while we still have some stock left. We just did a quick restock. And if you have any questions, make sure you guys leave a comment below. I'm glad that we're able to help you guys out. My name is Phil, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.